Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we are going to be doing a guided meditation about boosting patience. If you're new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to use crystals and gemstones when you need them. And today, this guided meditation is to help support you when you feel you're needing more patience with a situation. This is a guided meditation that has been the most requested. I think particularly this year in 2020, and with many parents, patience is in short supply. And we feel impatience as the struggle against what is happening right now. We desperately want things to be different than the way they are, and that's when the feelings of impatience arise. We have impatience because we want things to be different. And I speak from personal experience, as I have been working on improving my patience my entire life. This is definitely a trait that I feel needs a lot of my focus. So I do this meditation quite often, and I keep these crystals and gemstones close. And we may need patience because we want something faster. We want our vacation to get here faster. We don't want to wait a week for that package. Or we want out of an uncomfortable situation faster. Like, we don't want to stand in the grocery store line so long. And we don't want to stand in the DMV for so long. Or wait in traffic. It's uncomfortable. Or we're struggling with the behavior of people around us. We want somebody else to be doing or acting differently. And it's all a struggle, and it's totally natural. And if you find yourself needing some more patience, this meditation will help. Just whenever you can separate yourself from the situation, then pick up one of these gemstones and sit through this guided meditation to help release that suffering, that struggle, that impatience causes with us. Now, this is a crystal guided meditation, but you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. But having the gemstone with you will make it quicker and more effective for you, but you will still get benefit even without the gemstone. The ones I will be using today are Vesuvianite, and also known as Itocrase, Howlite, green Aventurine, and Septarian. Some other gemstones that are useful are ocean jasper and emerald, and you don't need to go out of your way to get fine faceted emerald. You can find tumbled, lower quality tumbled emerald, which will work just as well for your crystal healing practice. Today, I'm going to be holding Septarian for this guided meditation. So the only other thing that you'll need besides your gemstone is a comfortable seat. And that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you could stay comfortable and alert for about 5 to 10 minutes as we sit through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone and your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. Bring your awareness to how it feels to breathe right now. Just bringing yourself into your body, into your experience right now. And bringing your attention to those places on your body that are touching your chair or the ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire planet, the entire Earth, with access to all of its energy and the mass holding you up. So it will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. And bring your attention to that situation in your life that you need a little bit more patience with. And start thinking about that situation. And as you do, pick up your gemstone and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the benefits of the crystal or gemstone today. As you're thinking about this situation in your life, notice, how does it feel? Where do you feel the impatience? The struggle from impatience can be held in many different places in our body, in our mind, in our heart, in our shoulders, our stomach. Where do you feel this frustration? As you exhale, try to relax that area of your body. It's the first step in letting go. And recognize that there may be little you can do about this situation. If there's nothing that you can do about it, do you want to keep struggling? As you exhale, release the struggle. Let go of the need to control the situation. Every time you exhale, release that grip a little bit more. And say to yourself, I can be with this situation as it is. I give love to myself by releasing the struggle. I give love and compassion to those around me by releasing expectations. And sit and breathe in this space of calm and peace. Noticing how your mind and body and heart feel right now. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit in this guided meditation, for having patience. I hope you find this really useful and valuable. This is one I use quite often, and I'm glad to be sharing this with you. This has been a really difficult year. We've had to face and live in situations that we don't prefer. It's been rough, and I hope that when you feel that struggle next time, that you sit with this meditation and that it helps you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.